Hello YouTube land, welcome back to the channel. I'm Eddie and this is my channel Windy Therapy. I'm getting ready to go on a motorcycle camping trip this coming Friday, so I'm often getting a question, how do I load my motorcycle to go camping or to go traveling anywhere? So this is what this video is gonna be about. I'm gonna go quick, I'm gonna be direct, and hopefully it's gonna help you to load your motorcycle for your next camping trip. I'll be also highlighting the bags that I'm using and some other things that I believe is important for you to carry all the times. So without further ado, let's give her. I'm gonna show you step by step how to load my dry bags, but also how I'm loading everything else. So let's go. First thing I need to do that came with my OSAH Dry Bag, so you'll see why I'm doing what I'm doing shortly. So this one works pretty much like a ROK strap, but not as good because it doesn't have the elastic as the ROK strap does. So, but I'll talk about that shortly. So let's go through this one here. One strap goes beside my side back locking point, and the other one's gonna go here at the back. Let's put the other one here, same deal. One's gonna go here on the grab handle, and the other one, like before, through the side bag. If you want to see what I'm carrying inside my dry bags, I have a video that I'm gonna be listing on the top here where you can see exactly what I'm carrying, but that's for another video. I just want to show you now how I'm loading. So that's it. That's all I need to do. But before putting the bag, I'm gonna put the top bag from the motorcycle. This is the handy part about my motorcycle. One of the nicest part about the Triumph is I can put the top bag or the side bags, or I can ride without all three. But let's put the top bag now. And now we're ready to put my 40-liter dry bag. Let's get that stuff done. Bang. That's the beauty about this bag. It came with all the straps. I just need to connect all 4 points. And that's it. Now I just need to cinch it tight, like so. And like we all say, this one is not going anywhere. It's nice and tight. What's next? And now we're gonna find out why I love this system from OSAH Dry Pack. That's the 40-liter. This one is the 25. Why is it good? You're gonna see it right now. It just snaps to the other one. So let's do it. Just goes like so. Bang. And this one here has my sleeping bag. And then, same as before, just pull the straps, make it nice and tight. Same here. And it's done. Something I love about this system, having this one here, it also works as a backrest for me. So allows me to go back and forth and allow me to rest against my sleeping bag. So that's it. That's all it takes. It took what, less than 5 minutes to do it? Like I said before, if you want to see what's inside, please check this video and you're gonna see exactly what I have inside the bags. So what's next? I'll show you now. Now, something that I always carry when I'm traveling is my reflective vest. And same here, I just unbuckle the top bag here, and I can just put it like so if I'm not wearing. And again, same as before, just make it tight. There you go. Now I have my vest properly secured. I'm gonna be heading out in a 4-hour ride, so I don't think I'm gonna need to stop in between. That's why it's nice to have a Camel Backpack, just like this one. I believe the bag is big enough for 2 liters, but 1 liter is just enough. I don't like to fill up too much because otherwise it becomes heavy and becomes uncomfortable. And also what I do, I put an ice pack, those gel ice packs inside to make sure my water stays cold. This one is not a motorcycle brand. I bought at a store here in Canada called Mountain Warehouse. If I'm not mistaken, I paid 30 bucks. And it's very nice, very sturdy, it's reflective. It has a cooling system in the back here to make sure my back doesn't get hot. So this is a good idea as well if you're traveling. Then you can hydrate often, you don't need to stop, and this is not heavy at all. But let's say you have a bag already that doesn't have this strap system just like I showed you. What should you do? So if your bags don't come with straps like this one, the best way to do it is to use ROK Straps. I love those. I have 2 large and 2 medium right here, and they're absolutely awesome. Why do I like it? First of all, your stuff doesn't get loose because the elastic here keeps the load always under tension. The straps that came with my dry bag don't have the elastic, so I have to, every so often, if I'm on a long trip, I have to stop and make sure everything's tight. So having the elastic ensures that the load be always under tension. The medium one is strong enough for 60 pounds, the large one 100 pounds. This one is reflective. This one, I believe the stitching or the logo is, which adds some safety to it. They are UV protected, so last a long time. They do come with lifetime warranty, so don't go for the cheap stuff. This one has lifetime warranty. And finally, not like those traditional bungees that can snap and hit your eyeball and you get blind. It's safe, it's reflective, keeps your load safe and secure. And to be honest, this is not very expensive. I believe it's very affordable. I always travel with those ROK Straps inside my bag. You never know what you're gonna find. If something breaks, you need to kind of make it tight. If you buy something that you have to secure to your motorcycle. So I do recommend you guys to always have at least 1 set. I believe the one I use the most is the large one, but this medium one, which I just got, is pretty handy as well. And I'm gonna be using this one on my pop-up camper awning. So you'll see this one coming up very shortly. And the last piece I wanna show you guys is this little duffel bag. If I'm not mistaken, this one's about 12 liters, something like that. That instead spending $80 US to buy the Triumph liner bags, I just bought this one. Inexpensive, and guess what? It fits nicely inside my side bags. So I have 2 of these ones on my side bags. In one of the bags, I have all my clothing. The second one, I have my camping gear, extra gloves, the layers for my jacket and pants, rain gear. And on the top box is all my electronics. Is my iPad, the action cameras, tripods, everything else that I want to make sure that's nice, protected, and easily accessible. So that's basically it, guys. This is how I load my motorcycle. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, as always, give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe right there. And as always, my friends, be good, be safe, and let's keep the rubber tie down. Ciao.